Okay, here's a fresh one I couldn't wait to tell you about. I'm out here in the rain right now. Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. 734-453-3600. Give us a call. Come see us. This is a 2025 Honda CRV Hybrid Sport L. So it's got leather interior, moonroof, nice black alloy wheels. Lots of cool stuff. And it's a hybrid. Customer hasn't even taken off their plate yet, but we just traded it in first thing this morning. It's going to go through certified inspection. It's only got 6,000 miles on it. That's right, 2025 with 6,000 miles. Believe it or not, he traded it in because he wanted a different color in the new model Trail Sport, so he picked out something different, but he's still in the Honda family. This car is like brand new in every way. We could clean it up, we could put it on the showroom floor, but what we're gonna do is clean it up, run it through service, and put it in your driveway. That's right, come see it today. Victory Honda Plymouth, 2025 Sport L Hybrid CRV with only 6,000 miles. This is the one. It's got the best warranty with the certified program. You're gonna get a really good warranty. They got special interest rates on these right now. Lots of good stuff. Again, leather interior, only 6,000 miles. Give us a call today. Thanks.